Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BYND. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways to help build some context here. But overall, a very, very nice bounce. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that at one point this thing was all the way down there, and then the price was able to work its way back upwards. Any rational person would, yeah, that's been a nice bounce, but that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $72. Why is 72 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 72. If the price were to come down to 72 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing with the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would quite literally be putting the price right back to where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And again, going back, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, then begin to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined again as 72. Now, what about levels of resistance? Well, if this bounce is going to continue, public enemy number one going forward, you're going to be right up there at the $76 mark. And then after 76, quite a bit of wiggle room, as I'm not saying it's going to shoot straight up there, but nothing until that gap close location, which is right around 81.50. So like I said, I'm not saying it shoots straight up there. My point is that technically speaking, the levels of resistance space out quite a bit. So there's some opportunity there for a bigger move, but we'll see what happens with it. But no doubt about it, nice bounce today. Can the price build upon it? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.